Hello and welcome to this 10-minute morning mobility yoga flow to shake off stiffness, wake up your joints, and bring ease into your body to set a calm and energized tone for the day ahead. Let's get started in a wide-legged child's pose. Big toes together, knees wide apart. Walk your hands forward, rest your forehead on the mat. Take 5 deep breaths here, in and out your nose. As you breathe in, feel your back raising up. As you breathe out, let the hips little more sink, heavy on your heels. With your next breath in, ripple forward, shoulders over your hands, lift your chest, melt your hips forward and down. Inhale. Exhale, pull your hips back towards your heels. 2 more times. Inhale, ripple forward, lift your chest. Exhale, pull it back. Let's add 2 more rounds. Inhale, ripple forward. Exhale, pull it back. Now slide your hands back, get your knees together and tuck your toes. Sit up on your heels, gently shake side by side. Feel the nice stretch in the soles of your feet. Pause and hold here. Clasp your fingers, place your hands right behind your head. Inhale, open your heart. Squeeze your shoulder blades, your elbows pointing to the sides. Exhale, round your spine, elbows together, chin to chest. 2 more times. Inhale, open, lift your chest up. Draw your shoulder blades back. Exhale, round everything, pull it in. 1 more time. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Inhale back to the center. Flip your palms towards the ceiling. Extend your arms. Draw your shoulder blades back and down. Inhale here. Exhale, bend to the left. Opening through the right side of your body. Inhale to the center. Exhale, bend to the left. 1 more time on your own pace. Inhale to the center. Exhale, bend to the sides. Keep pressing the opposite sit bone down towards the heel. Inhale back to the center. Release your hands beside your knees. Let's rock our knees back and forth. Pick up your knees as you inhale. Exhale with control. Tap the knees down. Soft touch to the mat. Let's repeat this 5 more times with or without the support of hands if you feel stable here. Aiming for slow and controlled movements. One last time, pick up your knees, hold here, and then with control, drop your feet flat on the ground. If your heels are lifted, just stay high, no big deal. One full breath cycle here. Now, get your feet hip width apart, toes out, heels in for Malasana rocks. Rock your knees side by side, driving your knees towards the ground as far as you can, with or without the support of your hands. Just meet at your body's needs and level. 2 more times on both the sides. And then back to Malasana. Inhale here, exhale, fold over onto your legs. Soften your knees, bend at your waist, relax your neck. Inhale, Malasana, stay as high or as low as you can. Exhale to fold over. 1 more time, inhale, Malasana, exhale, melt down. Inhale, Malasana. Stay here, pause. Reach your right arm right in front of your right shin. Left arm reaches up and over. Breathe in. Pause for 3 breaths here. Feeling your left shoulder and chest open to the sky. Maybe gaze up if that is okay for your neck for 3, 2, 1. Release your left hand. Left hand goes in front of your left shin. Right hand goes right all the way up towards the ceiling. Pause and breathe. For 3. Stay active in your right leg. 2, 1. And then release your right hand. Pick up your hips. Fold over. Toes in, feet hip width apart. Grab the opposite elbows for ragdoll. Soften your knees, relax your neck. Head towards the mat. Option to stay still or sway side by side. Or you can go ahead for bouncing back and forth. Choose either of these variations. Couple of breaths here. Breathing into the entire posterior chain. And release your hands. Come all the way up one vertebra at a time. Press down through your heels. Breathe in here. Circle your arms up. One gentle back bend. Push your hips forward. Lift your chest up. Exhale. Release your arms. Half neck rolls. Chin to chest. Ear to shoulder. Ear to shoulder. Two more times on your own pace. Exhale. Chin to chest. Inhale. Ear to shoulder. Feel the stretch at the back and sides of your neck. Lift your head up. Shift your weight into your right foot. Hug the left leg for ankle rolls. Option to hold on to anything if you feel unstable. Reverse the motion. Release the leg. Pick up the right leg. And then circle out your ankle, feeling all the pops and crackles here. And reverse the motion. Release the right. Reach your both arms up. Hold the left wrist using your right hand. Cross your left foot right behind your right leg. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, bend to the right. Stay here for one full breath cycle. Keep pressing the outer blade of your back foot as you pull the left hand using your right. Inhale and exhale to your nose. Inhale, release back to the center. Switch the grip and switch the legs. Inhale here, exhale, bend to the left. Breathing into the right side of your body, down into your IT band and waist. One more breath. Release back to the center. Shake off your hands and legs. Guide your hands at your heart. Take a few moments here and notice how your body feels. Maybe more open, awake, alive. Bowing forwards, my heart to your heart. Namaste. Thank you so much for your time and energy. I hope you enjoyed this practice. If support this channel by subscribing, also share it with your friend. See you and take care.